Hey guys, Crypto Clay here. Stop doing these 5 things in crypto trading. This video is designed with new crypto traders in mind, but is also a great reminder for those of you that have been trading for a while and have slipped back into old bad habits. Today, I'll be sharing with you all things that I've picked up on over the past 10 years of trading cryptocurrencies. These 5 things will save you a lot of headaches and pain if you follow them correctly. So let's jump into it. Number 1, stop placing trades on things that you know have no future. Search for what I've dubbed the crypto trading trilemma, similar to the blockchain trilemma, but in this, we're specifically talking about trading. Search for projects that have a solid product, a great team, and a tight-knit community. If you find a project with those 3 things, you're almost guaranteed to eventually come out and profit. Obviously, there are always outliers to that rule, but it's a pretty good rule of thumb. Number 2, stop over-diversifying. Warren Buffett said it best. Stick with what you know. If you stick with what you know, then you're no longer gambling. You know what you're investing in, and you're better prepared, better equipped to go through with the trade. Number 3, stop being impatient. I can't stress this enough. If you follow my step number 1 and invest in a solid product, team, and community, then the investment will eventually pay off. Number 4, I repeat, stop checking your portfolio app. It's not going to help you. It's not going to save you. It's going to do nothing but cause you misery. Let me add a little personal twist to this. The most I ever made was at a point when I hadn't checked my portfolio for 8 months. So do what you have to do, delete the app if you have to, but stop checking your portfolio apps. Number 5, and this kind of coincides with number 4, stop stressing. If you're stressing over your crypto portfolio, then chances are you're overinvested, and that's never a good thing for anybody, especially for those of you that have families out there that depend on that money. Do not stress yourself out. Don't get caught in a bind. Make sure that you're only investing what you're capable of losing. I know a lot of people say only invest what you're willing to lose, but I think the saying should be only invest what you're capable of losing. That means if you don't have that money to be spending, then you shouldn't be investing it in the first place. Okay guys, I promised you a short video that would help you with your crypto trading, and I promise you, if you follow these 5 things, then you'll do better at crypto trading. Now I understand that it's not going to be an overnight success. It wasn't with me, and it probably won't be with you either. But if you follow these rules, then you'll definitely have more profit in the long run. If you enjoyed this video today, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It really helps my channel grow, and I'm trying to educate as many people in the crypto space as possible. But that's going to be it for this one. Crypto Clay out.